I believe most people, when they wake up and pick up their phones, they have met with numerous notifications from WhatsApp. But let me tell you, January this year, when I wake up and I pick up my phone, I am met with alert notifications and WhatsApp notifications from people sending screenshots of payments. I am TFI, the Finance Intel. I help to show you how you can make money online. And today I'll be showing you how I earned over 315,000 naira in 12 days with just WhatsApp. So if you are watching this right now, you would most likely have viewed someone's status or messaged someone, replied a message, or even done a voice call or a video call today on your WhatsApp. So what if all those actions are actually earning you money? In January, I created a business model that earned me over 315,000 naira, and here is a simple step-by-step way on how I did it. And you can replicate this step to do the same. First, I took my knowledge of what I knew how to do and created 1,000 naira course with it. I sold it and I resold it. So it all starts with having a knowledge. You need to know how to do something. So if you do not have a skill, this is an encouragement for you to get a skill or learn a skill. You might already have a skill, but you don't know it's a skill. You do not know it can be leveraged upon. You can leverage upon that and do many things and make money with it. You can be a chef. You love cooking. In fact, you enjoy cooking. You can cook every blessed day of your life without feeling tired. That is a passion, and you can build on it by learning skills on culinary skills, making it standard, making it professional. Then you can sell that as a business model and keep reselling it. So what I did was I looked at a window in my field. I looked at what people needed at that point in time. What were people's complaints as concerning their field? And I went ahead and I created a course about it. And it was just 1,000 naira course. So I'm a makeup artist. Then I see that people are interested in doing makeup. Like, people want to learn how to do this, they want to learn how to do that, but they don't know how to do it. Then I create a course on that. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Here's how I did it. So first, I went to high profile people in my field, like top professionals, people who have the large social media following, people who have the influence, and not just anybody. I looked at people who post tutorials, what they do. For example, makeup, people who post, okay, how to do a bold lip tutorial, a short way on how to do a feathered brow, a short way on how to create a simple eyeshadow. People who do create such content on their profile. You need to look at those kind of professionals, those tutorials or those content where they create those kind of tutorials. Go through their comment section. Under their comment section, you will most likely find people who have complaints of one or the other, challenges of one or the other. Oh, I've noticed that my foundation ends up smudging and it doesn't last all day. How do you get yours to last? You would find questions like that. Get a sheet of paper and write them down. Do not take just one profile as a case study. Take multiple profiles. Look through what you have written. The most dominant complaint. It may not be written out in the same sentence, but you already know what these people want from the way they write it. So the most dominant one is what you can consider as your digital course. If you don't already have one, you can consider that. So after I did that, after I found my digital course, I went ahead and I created an e-flyer using Canva. Then after I created an e-flyer using Canva, I created a short eye-catchy video on what, of course, they would learn, something that will catch their attention and know that, oh, this is good. I love the product, or I love the aftermath. I would like to learn how to do this. So I created a short eye-catchy video with the CapCut app. Then I ran Facebook ads and directed them to my WhatsApp. And you know that saying that they say, if you want 10 persons, you have to reach out to 1,000. So you have to randomly market. This is not you just sitting down and saying, once I dish it out, so many people are going to rush. Yes, you get a lot of leads, but then in those leads, you will still have people who they are interested, but they don't have the cash. They just want to see if it's real. So you have to market. So because of the bulk leads I got into my WhatsApp, I used an autoresponder, Skidit, which is Skidit app. Okay, so even while I'm sleeping and I get a lead, my autoresponder picks up the keyword, matches it, and responds appropriately. So even while I'm sleeping or I'm not on my phone, because obviously I can't get 300 or 3,000 leads and I'm replying every single one of them, but my autoresponder was there to reply as swift as possible, as though I was the one responding. At the same time, while I did my marketing on Facebook ads, I also did on my WhatsApp status, because my contacts are already warm leads and they already know me. So I marketed aggressively on my status. I marketed on groups. I know that I'll find people that require that course on those groups. And also I did a broadcast list. Share to your contacts. Do not be ashamed to sell. Do not. The moment you see shame in selling, or in selling a product, or selling your product or your goods, that is the beginning of your marketing chaos. So I got leads from many of them, and from there they were converted into paid customers, meaning as they came to my DM, of course, asked a few questions, inquiries, even while I'm sleeping, because my autoresponder has responded to all those inquiries that they will most likely have. I wake up to alert. So I created a group chat, because it's not a one-on-one course, it was a group course. And of course, people enjoy group calls because it facilitates learning. So many people are there to talk and ask questions, and you know, everybody, no one wants to be left out. So it really facilitated learning, and ensure that you are putting effort in what you are giving. Don't say, because I'm placing the course at 1,000 naira, I'll give them piece of crap and tell them afterward, is it not 1k you paid? No, I put in so much effort and provided so much value that the reviews were outpouring. And I always tell people, the easiest way to get a customer is the friend of a customer, like someone who knows the customer, basically a referral. So I got those reviews from those people and I used it to boost my marketing campaign. I rinsed and repeated. So I sold and I resold. So when people see other people's reviews, like people personally drop their reviews on my group, on my page, people will want to go and find out, oh, is this actually true? Is it legit? Did she really give value? And when those people are like, yes, she actually did. In fact, I got more than what they paid for. That is enough conviction. You don't even need to talk so much in your DM. So if you resonate with this business model, let me know in the comment section. And also, I'll be dropping a link to download Canva, and also a link to download Skidit. It's an autoresponder and also a scheduler app. You can schedule your message and also auto respond. So if you like me to do any video, you can leave it in the comment section, or how to use Skidit you can leave it in the comment section. I can do a quick tutorial for that. So if you like this video, do well to give it a thumbs up. Do well to say what you think about this business model in the comment section. If you have any questions, or you like me to create a certain tutorial based on what I spoke about just now, also do well to leave it in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe. Many of you do not know when I post out a new video or a new content, and this is why you should turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a new content, you will be the first to see it. So stay tuned.